Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my closet room reveal. Finally, I have it done, or I guess I should say 90% completed, but it's completed enough for me to go ahead and show you guys my new room, and I am so excited to do so. So this process actually started back in April. Basically, when we went on quarantine, I thought, you know, what's a better time than now to go ahead and tackle this project, which was on my to-do list anyway. So I went ahead on IKEA.com and I basically started customizing my room. I'm sure you guys have seen plenty of videos on the IKEA PAX closet system. I think that's what it's called. And yes, this is what that is. It's very, very simple to build on the website and customize to your liking. All you need, I think, is just your room dimensions, and that's it, and just get the building. I will say a couple things that I did not know before starting this process. I'm not sure if this is just because of the times we're in now with everything going on or what, but I did place my order at the end of April, and I didn't get my PAX system until June, like first week of June, I think. I don't know if that's common, but I know for me it did take a long time for me to get my closet system and the pieces to it to build my wardrobe after I placed my order. The second thing is, I believe if you get it delivered, they outsource the delivery, and I did have a couple of pieces that came back damaged. It wasn't damaged to the point where like it wasn't usable, but for the amount of money I spent, I still wanted, you know, good quality and like top-notch products and them to not come damaged. So I did go ahead and try to reach out to IKEA customer service, you know, just to see what's going on. I'm pretty sure this was, you know, whoever they outsourced to deliver the items to. I'm pretty sure it got damaged that way, but I still wanted to see what was going on, and I couldn't get in touch with anyone. Their like phone lines are off the hook right now. There's an automated message that basically says that they can't handle the volumes right now, so try again later. So I haven't been able to get in contact with them, which is pretty disappointing. And the third thing I want to say is that this is definitely going to require two people to put this system together. I actually put most of it together myself, but I needed my husband to go ahead and like build the actual shelving frames for me and to get them up on like the wall and stuff like that. So this is definitely not just a job that I myself could do. I won't say that, you know, it's impossible, but it'll be way easier with two people. So the reason why I wanted to go ahead and redo my room is because this room before was very unorganized to me. It lacked functionality, and I felt like with the IKEA PAX system, I could just turn this into a one-stop shop where I had drawers and systems for everything that I needed concerning my wardrobe. So for the most part, I redid this entire room myself. You know, I took ownership of it, and I wanted this to be my own personal project that I tackled. I did all the painting myself. I, you know, picked everything out. My husband helped me do, like I said, do the frames of the shelving, and he helped me put some artwork up and my mirror up. So thanks to you, hubby. This is something I just want to take ownership of myself, and I actually really enjoyed this process, and I'm so happy that it's done. So I will stop rambling on and let's get to the tour. All right guys, so I am in the entrance of the room. So when you walk in, to your left you have the shoe section here. And what I love most about this little rack, a little shoe shelf thing, is that each shelf holds 4 pairs of shoes. I mean, you don't get that everywhere. Like, you can't beat that at all. So this is where the majority of my shoes are stored. I have the boots up top, and then I have pumps toward the middle, and then towards the bottom I have my sandals. And then to the left of this, I just went ahead and bought a little step ladder, just because, you know, I'm not trying to like risk my life trying to get all the way up there in the back to get the shoes I have up there. So I figured that step ladder would come in handy. And then I have like my ring light little bag there. So that's the shoe section. That's the first part. Then when you come over here, let me step back. So in the middle, I have my blazers, my skirts, my short skirts, and my shorts. On the right are my blazers, and they are color coded, or I'm trying to have them color coded. And then towards the middle, I have the blazers that have bottoms to them. And then I have my skirts and shorts and all that. And then on the first shelf up here, I have just this little bag that I kind of wanted to use just to hide the little stuff back here. But I have one of my little book bags back behind this, and then one of my fashion file pre-loved bags. That one holds my little Louis Vuitton little mini backpack thing. So that's how it kind of looks. Kind of try to disguise it as much as I can. But on this side, I have my Louis Vuitton box, and that is, hello, hiding her. That is my one and only wig. She's treated me very well so far. And then I have another bag back here. You guys haven't seen this one yet. I was gonna do an unboxing, but I got it from Fashion File. I'll show you guys probably another video, but it's my little new Prada bag that I got. So we'll leave that there. And then the shelf up top, we have a Balmain shoebox that is hiding one of my bigger bags in the back, and then my Fendi box that is in front of this little crate that I got from Target that just holds like some of my high street bags. So that's what I'm doing up there. Let me try to see if I can bring it up so you can see better. And then when we come down here, this is one of my favorite parts of this room. I have more shoe storage here, and these just hold pretty much my everyday shoes, a lot of my sneakers and stuff like that. So I love that it pulls out, so it's just so easy to just, you know, find something to throw on really quick, pull this out, grab the shoes I need, and then be off and gone. And then under this, I have a little mesh basket, and this is just holding like all the mess, all the junk. In this bag, I have a little dust bag full of belts and stuff like that. I got some of my camera equipment, little mic, little portable charger, little waistband thing. And then I have like hair accessories and stuff in here, some of my wallets and like travel stuff. And this one I have socks and tights and just all kind of just random stuff in here. But it's a good idea to just have a drawer for this that I can just hide all this stuff in. So that's that. And in the second one, I have a lot of my hats and scarves. So my big fedora hats here. I have a couple ball caps. What are these called? I forget what these called. Those type of hats, and then some scarves here. So that is the second section. The middle section, another one of my favorites. When you come on across, we have kind of just like my vanity little area thing. I'm not done with this. I've been trying to find like a mirror or something that goes here. If I can't find a mirror, I'll find like I'll get like a picture frame and like put a bunch of little inspiration pictures in there and stuff like that. But this is what it looks like right now. I just picked this up from Target. This is like one of those little lights that you push in and it comes on, but I have to put the batteries in it still and find somewhere to put it. But here is this glass shelf that shows all the jewelry that I have. So I absolutely love this. This is where all my jewelry can go now. I have my necklaces, rings and earrings, more earrings, some bracelets, watches and stuff like that. And then I have a place for my glasses and just random stuff like this. I'm so happy I have this now. This is like a one-stop shop now, and I'm so happy to have this. And then I have a drawer here that has the glass little opening. And then this is where I have all my graphic t-shirts. I just wanted somewhere that I could just have them all and, you know, be able to access them easily, because I didn't have that before. And then I love that you can kind of just get some pops of color through there once it's shut. But yeah, I have my graphic t-shirts here. I have my plain t-shirts here. I have plain tanks. yeah, this is where every t-shirt I need is stored. And then the drawers to follow house my pants and shorts, my more casual pants and shorts. I have a drawer for all my sweatshirts and hoodies because it's a lot. I have down here, I have like my little dressier tanks and stuff like that. A couple more hoodies, and then my bathing suit stuff. Won't get to probably wear that this year, but that's another story. And then this drawer was empty, but I decided to just throw a couple things down here, planners and stuff like that. So yeah, that is that. And the top houses, just like the other sides, just some stuff that, you know, I wanted to make it look a little better. So another Louis Vuitton box, one of my little favorite bags, my little black pearl bag here, this little C for my first name, Christina. I got this from At Home and it was only like $7. It was on sale. And then back behind there is some more high street bags. So let me step back so you can see the middle section. And then over here we have my jeans and bottoms. I absolutely love that everything on here pulls out. Like, it's so easy, so easy. And I just have like my lighter color jeans, then my darker jeans, and then pants on the right. And then right here are most of my shirts, just like dressier shirts, I guess, and more casual, like anything that's not a t-shirt basically sits here. So I try to color coordinate it and then kind of do a body sleeve, but yeah, this is what we get. So there you go. And then up top, once again, just another storage area. My little Gucci box there, my little Gucci vintage bag that I just picked up. And then I have a Louis Vuitton box again, and then back behind there you can probably see my Doc Martens, and then another crate full of high street bags. So yeah. And then over here it's a little hard because this plant is in the way, but I have all of my longer dresses and longer skirts here. Actually all my dresses and then my longer skirts here. So longer skirts are in the front, and then all my dresses are behind it. I still need to go through and get rid of a couple because there's some dresses that I'm just not gonna wear again. So I need to go ahead and toss those. And then up here I have a just a bigger bag. I got this from H&M a few years back, and I just love like the size and the durability of it. So I decided to keep it even though I don't wear it that much. But yeah. And then this, yeah, I can't pull this out because the hangers are in the way. But this is a little pull out, like if I wanted to hang some extra clothes or something here, I could just do that. But these hangers are in the way. These hangers, I decided to switch out all my hangers. These come from At Home and I would highly recommend them. You got like a pack of 25 for 10 bucks, so you can't beat that at all. And I needed like 150 of them or something. So yeah, that is that section. And that's pretty much it for like where my clothes are. Like this houses everything I need, like everything I need, and I'm so happy. And then when you come around here, you have this plant that I got from At Home recently. I love the white pot. I love the size of it. I love the color of the leaves. Like everything about this I absolutely love. Sorry, it's getting a little dark because the window's right there. But absolutely love this. And then over here we have just a little couch, little sitting area. What my last room, I guess the last design lacked was somewhere that I could just sit to like put my shoes on and stuff like that. Like I hated walking out, like grabbing my shoes in here, walking out, having to walk to the bedroom and sit on the bed to put them on. I wanted a one-stop shop, so that's why I decided to keep this couch in here. This we already actually had. I had it downstairs in our living room, but I got a new couch for the living room, so I decided to just put this in my room, and it worked out. So I went ahead and got some pillows just to add some, I guess, neutralness and add a different vibe to it. But these pillows are both from At Home as well. I basically like got all my accessories and stuff from At Home, like they came through. So yeah, that's that. And then we have an extra little closet here. I'm not even going to show you what's in there because it's a lot of mess. Like my wedding dress is in there. I have extra hangers and stuff like that. I just got a bunch of stuff, so that's in there. And then it's got some shoes right here, my little other flip-flops and my Nikes. Those are what I work out in. And then here, I'll get this out the way, but this is just my rack that I always use for my YouTube videos, and I use it for like when I have clothes I want to put on, new clothes I want to, you know, put out before I put them in my wardrobe. I put them there. And then here we have these pictures that I got from At Home. Absolutely love them. All three of them I got from At Home. I just love the vibe they give off. I love that these pictures are like, they kind of give you dimension in the picture because it's like a quilted or like a crochet little piece of fabric, and then they went ahead and framed it. So absolutely love that. And I'm thinking if I should put, I did have a table in here. I'm wondering if I should put this table back in here because I don't know. I really don't need more table storage, I don't think, but we'll see. And then here, these are just some random stuff that doesn't, well, that won't be in here for the long term. This, I have to put my LED, my ring light back. So that's gonna get broken down. This is the fashion file box that my new purchase just came in, so I gotta get rid of that box. And then this, we're actually changing the ceiling fan out. So this is my new ceiling fan that's gonna go in here. Just waiting for my dad to come over and change it for us, and then that's something I have to take back to H&M. So all this is gonna get, you know, gone. And then down here we have my little rug. I forgot what kind of rug this is called, but I got this from Hobby Lobby, and I was looking for rugs like this like for a while, and I found this on Hobby Lobby for 80 bucks. They're like originally 140 or 50 bucks or something, so I did not want to pass that up at all. So that is the rug. And then here, hi, we have my mirror. This is a mirror of my dreams. Like, I always wanted a full-length mirror in my room so I could just, you know, get dressed, look at myself, and be gone. Like, this is, I told you, this whole room is gonna be a one-stop shop. So this is definitely what I wanted in a closet room. So there you have it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun showing you my new closet room. I'm so excited to start creating content in here and just have the organization and functionality that this closet room lacked previously. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this a thumbs up, please, and go ahead and check out some of my other videos that I've done in the past. I definitely have some new videos coming on the horizon, so definitely subscribe if you're interested, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.